Hello, welcome to ScienceCraft. My name is Noah, and today I will be guiding you through how you can create a Discord account, how to join the ScienceCraft Discord server, and then also how to effectively utilize the server so you can maximize your ScienceCraft experience. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step here is to go to discord.com. You can access this by Googling Discord, typing in this or a similar URL. And your first step is a decision. You have two options. You could either download the application for Windows, or you can use Discord directly in your browser. If you download the Discord app, it might perform better and it may be easier to use. However, using Discord in your browser is more convenient immediately. So that's up to you. What will happen is, because you don't have a Discord account, you will need to create one. And that's where you'll end up in a screen like this. So if I open my app here, you'll see you have to input your email address, a username that you would prefer to use, a strong password, and then the date of birth. Now I'm going to click the already have an account button because I already have an account, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in. So we can see here that I am signed in to Discord. I have a brand new account, and the first thing you may notice is this big orange bar at the top. Please check your email and verify your account. Now, in order to participate in the server to protect from any bad influences, we do require that everyone verifies their account. So in order to do that, you want to tab over to your email, and you should see an email like this one I have here. And so all you need to do is you just need to click the verify email button. It will say email verified, and that's it. Nice and simple. So once you do that, I'm going back to my Discord app here. We can see the orange bar has disappeared. And now you have two options. The harder way to do it is, if you want to, you could click the add a server button, click the join a server button, and insert our invite link, which is located in various locations. The easier way for you is probably to go to our website, sciencecraftcamp.com. And on our website, we have multiple links to the Discord server, including right at the top here. You can see the Go to Discord button. If you click it, it will take you either to the app or the browser application, depending on what you're using, and you are immediately prompted to join ScienceCraft. And that's it, you're in. However, it's not over yet. There are still a few items that you need to do before you are able to fully participate. So you can see if I go over to the chat here, I can't send any messages, which is unfortunate. This is because we have an extra layer of protection built into the server. So we need you to verify you're a real person, first of all, by clicking on the ScienceCraft icon right here. This is called a reaction. Now we can see that not only do I have more channels available to me, but now I can send messages. Now if we go back to the landing zone channel, it will also ask you what class or grade you are in. This is how we sort our students so that you get the best educational experience for you. So let's say I was a 7th grader. I would click the number 7, and now we can see I have an additional section here. That's it. Now you're in the ScienceCraft server, and you should be able to do everything that you need to do. Now I'm going to go through the rules and a bit more just on Discord in general. So these are our rules. Just so you know, these are all channels down the sidebar here. The ones with the hashtag are text channels, and this is our rules icon. This is our announcements icon. And then these are voice channels, which I'll get to later. So in our rules channel is everything important. We have our rules, which you should read. And then we have our invite link in case you want to invite your friends. And we also have our website link, our YouTube channel link, and the IP address for our Minecraft server, which will be very important for your participation. Now if we go over to the next channel, currently we have no announcements, but this is where you will see members of the ScienceCraft team giving announcements as to when classes are, major changes, and so on. You will see them here. Next up, we have the slides and resources channel. Again, this is currently empty because we are preparing for our spring semester, but you will see links to YouTube videos, links to the slides, and so on, and that can be useful for review, or if you miss a class, you can refer here, and the videos and links posted here can help you out. I will also note that all of our slides and resources can be found in the Resources tab of the ScienceCraft website. Then another channel we have is the Build Submissions channel. You cannot see when people put things in here to a certain extent, and this is where you can submit your builds if you did not build them on the Minecraft server. So you'll just be able to upload a file by clicking this plus button, attaching it, and sending it. Do note that there is a file size limit, and so we recommend sending images or uploading videos to YouTube before submitting them here. Now, we have multiple chat channels. First of all, we have a general chat channel for general discussion. We have a second general chat channel called Off Topic, and you may want to make use of the help channel. If you're having trouble with Discord, Minecraft, or anything else, we watch this channel very closely and we will make sure to respond to you. We have a spam channel just in case you want to just spam, as long as they follow the server rules. We have a counting channel because who doesn't enjoy, counting to 1 million for no reason. And we have a suggestions channel for students who think they have good ideas if they want to help us improve the program. We do take these into consideration. Now, this is a private channel that you're given access to because you reacted earlier. So I said I was in 7th grade. So currently, this is my class. And so this is where I would type messages to talk to the rest of my class or the teacher. Now, those are all the text channels. But that's not all there is, of course. We have all of these voice channels. Now, these voice channels are useful because they are, how we do class. So at the beginning of the day, every day, you are going to join the ScienceCraft channel, and that is where everyone will get together and the teachers will tell you what we're doing today. After, all you have to do to join it is just clicking it. Just like this, right? It's that simple. Now, you might want to take note of the icons down here. If you click this one, that'll unmute you. Please stay muted at all times unless you have a question. And then this icon right here is the deafen. If you don't want to listen to anything for one reason or another, you can click it to deafen yourself. To disconnect, just click this button here. And that's it. That is how you join and leave voice channels. And so the other voice channel you'll probably end up using is the classroom voice channel, and that's where our classes will take place. Now, I don't have anyone to demonstrate right now, but if someone was screen sharing, you would see a big red button that says live, and if you click on that and watch their stream, that is how we teach our lectures, and that's how you can see the slides. So hopefully you'll have a general understanding of the different channels in our Discord, how to use it, and also how to just join our server and everything else. Hope you're excited about ScienceCraft, and I hope to see you there. Now, remember, if you are in need of help or support, you can always reach out to us by emailing us at sciencecraftcamp.com, filling out the form on our website, or if you're in the Discord server, which I hope to see you in, you can ping the ScienceCraft team by typing in at ScienceCraft team, and that'll get us basically to immediately respond to you, assuming it's a normal time of day. So that's it for this tutorial. Check out some of the other videos on our YouTube channel if you need help with other topics, such as joining the Minecraft server, or maybe one of our lectures or build challenges, and thank you for watching.